Well, if there's one thing that I could easily associate to ChatGPT is the incessant use of emojis. Now, there is nothing wrong of using emojis in the answer. I think it looks great, but I would say ChatGPT uses emoji a lot more compared to other AI models like Gemini, Claude, Mistral, and many others. So the question is, how do you make ChatGPT to produce less emojis in the answers? Well, there are three options that you can try. First, you might want to check the mobile app version of ChatGPT on your phone, because right now when I'm recording this video, there seems to be a test that is being conducted by OpenAI, and basically under the settings and then personalization menu, you can choose characteristic or styles, and then you can choose whether the character should be using more emoji or less emoji in the answer. But this is not universal because I actually checked my mobile phone. I'm using the latest version of ChatGPT, and also I'm using the Plus subscription. But even that, I don't see the option at all to select how many emojis that each character should be using. So it is not accessible for everyone. So perhaps you might want to check the other two options. So the second option that you can try is essentially by using a character or personality that is inherently not going to use emojis very often. For example, you can use professional or perhaps efficient or cynical, and these are some examples of styles or characteristics that would produce less emojis in the answer. So you can select that. If you prefer to have answer in a certain way, you can select one of these options available in ChatGPT. So that was the second option. But the third option is perhaps even better, because you can specify, you can have a custom instruction to tell ChatGPT that you don't want to have emojis in the answer. So under personalization, you will see custom instruction right here, and you can tell ChatGPT to not use emoji. So this is one instruction that I'm going to use. Please never include emojis in your responses unless specified to. There you go. So this is the instruction that I will use. I'm going to click save and just wait. There you go. I'm going to close this. Now I'm going to open a new thread in ChatGPT. I'll just use the same prompt again. So let me just open ChatGPT, and you'll see that this time around, it is not going to be using emojis in the answer. So let's send a message and just wait for several more seconds. There you go. It's just text answer, plain text answer, no emoji whatsoever. So that's just by using a simple instruction in the settings in your ChatGPT account. So yeah, that's basically all the tips that you can try to remove or eliminate emojis in ChatGPT answers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.